Hi everyone, welcome back to the vlog. It's Antonia and Harley is here with us today. I'm just going to start off the vlog with a few unboxings because I just have bits and bobs that I finally received and I don't think it necessarily needs like a whole haul video, but I figured I would show you guys. So first, I'm gonna insert a clip of one of my subbies. She sent me some stuff from her brand that is launching on February 4th. I'm super excited for her. It's very close to Chinese New Year, so that will be very exciting and fun and festive. So I'm going to insert the clips here. Okay guys, I just got this package from, sorry, my nails are disgusting. I'm actually gonna see Leslie. These two are really chipped, but I got this package from one of my subbies. I opened it up and I just had to show you guys what it looks like. She's launching a scrunchie line soon and she reached out to me and asked me if I would like a package from her. So first she got me this card, which is so sweet of her because like look how cute this packaging is. But second of all, oh my gosh, oops, Harley's crying. So it's embossed here with her Smoothie Silk wax stamp, and this is what her card looks like. And I thought it would be fun to unbox everything together, so let's do it. So first off, we have this medium one. How cute is the packaging, guys? I don't even want to open it. Oh my gosh, everything is packaged so adorably. Look how pretty. Everything is made of mulberry silk and there's her little tag, Smoothie Silk. How beautiful. Here is a large scrunchie. Honestly, the packaging is like A+. I wish my nails were not ugly. Oh my gosh, look how pretty this lemon one is. Gorgeous. Lemon, mangoes, my favorite citrus, lemon, oranges? Let's see. Oh my gosh, oranges. Maybe that's oranges. And mango, so cute. And this last one is in this special box with her Smoothie Silk. Oof, oof, that is gorgeous. Okay, I think I can just slip it off like so. Oh gosh, extreme happiness. That is so cute. Oh my gosh, she sent me more. That is just adorable. Oh my gosh, look at her packaging. Okay, the attention to detail is crazy. So I have another, I think this one's a smaller like tropical fruit one, which is super cute. Another purple, which I love purple so much. And this one is different fruits. So blueberries, oranges. That's adorable. You guys know I don't really like pattern much, but in the hair, I think like in the hair would be really cute. Let's test these out right now. And quickly, I wanted to compare the sizes. So this is her large scrunchie. Harley, stop. He's jealous. This is the medium scrunchie, and then this is the smaller scrunchie. So those are the three sizes that you can get. But this large is a perfect size because it's not too big. I love, thank you so much. Quickly, I opened up her letter and it's nothing personal, so I figured I could read it to you guys because there's some information in there for you guys. It says, "Hi Antonia, I'm so excited to introduce you to my silk scrunchie collection. Everything has been handmade from start to finish in my little studio in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. Local made. Each scrunchie is made with 100% 22 Mommy mulberry silk. Mommy is a unit of weight, describing the density of silk. The higher the mommy, the higher the density. Concept is similar to thread count in cotton sheets. There are 3 sizes of scrunchie I'll be initially offering, small, medium, and large. I'll include a minimum of 1 in each size for you to try. I truly hope you will enjoy using every single one. Yours truly, Amanda." Okay, so it's okay to say her name. So Amanda, thank you so much for these items. And then her Instagram handle for her Smoothie Silk line is at smoothie.silk. It will be listed down below. And she included swatches of the fabric as well. It says, "Psst, I'm real silk, test me," which is really cool. This cardstock, beautiful. Her packaging was beautiful, A+ on everything. Like, everything was just, I don't know, she packaged everything so beautifully. It felt like it was illegal to open it all. I'm super excited. I wear scrunchies almost every single day, so now I have a lot, and they all pass my 3, I'll just show you guys here, my 3 twirl test. I always need the scrunchie to pass through my hair 3 times, and you can see it does that beautifully on my hair. So I'm excited to add this to my roster because you guys know I have quite a collection of scrunchies, and these are so beautifully made. Her logo is there, like everything is just gorgeous. So thank you so much, Amanda. The attention to detail was incredible. Yeah, and once again, this wasn't sponsored. She just sent it to me, and then I saw that it was so beautifully packaged that I needed to share this to you guys as well, because it was like a total experience to open that up, and it was truly beautiful. So thank you again, Smoothie Silk and Amanda. Congratulations on your upcoming brand, and I hope to be supporting it very soon. And then I just got my Linterval package. I ended up returning those white boots that I unboxed in my last video that fit my calves for the boots that I wanted originally. I should have just gone with the ones I wanted originally, because after looking at the stark white, I just thought to myself, like, that's not the look I was looking for. It was like this white, like very white, and what I wanted was an off-white cream, to be honest. And I really didn't like the heel height on those boots because they were just so high, but I finally got them. These are the KLOTEN Off-White Dream in size 39. Linterval runs, I think, one size larger, so 39 is a 38 there. This is what they look like. They are so gorgeous. They were the same price, so I ended up paying the same price. Like, it was just a straight swap. I didn't have to pay anything extra. So I believe these were about like $170 with tax and all included, and these are what they look like. What I love is this heel, like this like triangular heel, and then it has this square toe. So it has a side zipper here, which is nice. However, when I stuck my fat calf in here, they didn't fit. So this is my second day trying to stretch out these boots. I have a hack for you. If you can't get boots on because you got thick calves like I do, like, you can tell these are not. These babies, these puppies are not going anywhere. You could wear an extra thick sock just to do a little bit more, but you're gonna need a shoehorn and some sort of keychain that you can pull. What I'm gonna do is add the keychain to the zipper here, right? And then you take the shoehorn and you insert it there. That way you can pull, and then you're just gonna bring up the shoehorn. This is just to prevent it from like pulling onto your skin, essentially. And then there you go, you can get them on. So at the store, they didn't have this, so I wasn't even able to attempt it. But I think once they stretch out and I get them on nicely, like, and they stretch out and they're like staying up, they're gonna look really good. You can see like my ankle is a little bit, like my ankle is small, but like then the boot itself is like so tight around my calf here. So I just know for sure these are gonna be cuter with that Emporia outfit. That's what I visualized in the first place, like a cream boot with the brown dress and the brown cardigan. Right now outside is probably like negative 30 degrees. I don't know, Toronto is super cold right now, so I'm not gonna wear that obviously this weekend, but hopefully soon I'll be able to wear it. But I just wanted to show you guys how to stretch the boots on without having a hassle. And a quick outfit of the day from Mr. Harlesberg himself. Harley, what are you wearing? He says he's wearing Old Navy, a plaid distinguished outfit. This is a sweater from Old Navy, and his harness is by Help 'em Up. Very good for senior dogs who need a little bit of help. it's really nice because it harnesses here, which is great to hold him, but it also harnesses here on the back. Because he is a senior dog and he has issues like, you know, slipping and falling and stuff like that, I got him this help him up harness from his vet. His vet specialist for his osteoarthritis pain recommended it, so we got that for him. And then his bed is Casper underneath. And this blanket on top is from Indigo, and I believe they're on sale for $25 now. So I'm going to order a couple of them just because I like to throw these throw blankets over his bed. They keep the beds a lot more clean, and he really likes furry things. Harley loves sleeping on furry things. And then in case you are wondering, his little shirt behind him is also an Old Navy sweater that he loves so much. Old Navy has been popping off and making really good dog clothes. I really like buying Old Navy dog clothes for him, and he just looks like such a distinguished gentleman. And he has his little cushion there that he hasn't been using, but sometimes he uses the little cushion. Right, my baby? Right, my sunshine? Right, my darling? So I just went to the post office to drop off a letter, and then I also mailed something to Hong Kong to my cousins, and it costed $60. Guys, and it's gonna take like months to get there, but I have it tracked, because like you just don't know with parcels these days, so I'd rather just have it tracked. Okay, now I'm at Swarovski because I wanted to get this Death Star ornament for my friend for her birthday, and it says they have it, but they've reached capacity. So they have it. That's the Death Star. I'm gonna grab that for my friend's birthday. They also have this ox, which is really cute. Okay, leaving the mall now. I picked up these little tins so I can make lobako since it's almost Lunar New Year, and I also picked up a new tweezer at Sephora, and then I got 2 necessaire samples. I'll show you guys in a minute. I'm freezing. I'm just walking to my car now. So I made it home, and this is what I got from Sephora. These body lotions from Necessaire. They were 100 point perks. I got a tweezer because my friend does my eyebrows, and she was complaining that my tweezer sucked because I bought like the tiniest little tweezer ever. And then I got 2 of these, and they're really cute because they come in these tins, which let me show you guys. And they just unscrew, and I think they're really cute. Like, I just like the packaging, so 100 points, not bad. So I actually started making these. I tested it out, and they taste really good. So how I like to eat is that I pan fry them. So I'm gonna pan fry it and then have this for lunch.
Yeah, like, was this a good special? I can't remember. Like, I remember seeing the first draft of the drifting special and the cycling special. I remember my first thought was, God, I can't believe I wasted all this time to like record this shit.
I wanted to show you guys my toilet because I installed a Tushy, and I actually really like it. After going to Japan, and every like toilet in Japan has a bidet, I thought about it, and I really wanted to get a Toto one. However, those are really expensive, and the Tushy was super easy to install. It only took me less than 15 minutes, I believe, and there's a video on it. I didn't film me installing it, but essentially you just have to detach some of this, detach the seat, and then you install it, and it's quite simple. But I've used it this morning, and it sprays cold water. So basically you just go like this and turn it on, and you can hear it. Essentially this controls the angle, and then you turn this on, and then it sprays the water out of there, and I really like it. This one specifically is just their classic 3.0, which has no temperature control. I don't mind having cold water shot into my bum hole, but if you do want one with temperature control, they do have one, and then it's a little bit more complicated to install. This one was super easy because it's literally just this part, and then you attach it here. For the rest of today, I'm just going to I cleaned some stuff here, and I wanted to show you guys what I did, but I have to put away laundry, and then I'm just gonna be doing some cleaning. So here's what I did so far. I didn't film any of me doing this. Essentially, this had bags in it, and then my like little display was here, but whenever I filmed stuff here, this would be blocked because my chair goes here, and then you would see the top here, and it wasn't really that, like, you couldn't see anything, so I decided to flip them. So all my mini bags are down here now, and I wanted to go through this little section with you. So this is actually a Darth Vader concrete planter. It is so cute. It's actually locally made from Toronto. I got this years ago. I think it's by Modern Plant Co. And she's also Asian owned business. And then I just have some very dead baby's breath in there. And then I also have this onigiri that I got for Christmas this year from my friend, and I'm gonna use that as a planter because there is a hole at the bottom. However, I don't have a plant for it right now, so I just have lotion and Perel. In the back you can see I have the Chicago Mickey and Minnie. It is a Mickey in a hot dog and Minnie in a pizza, and then I have some other little stuffies there in this Hermes bag that I actually put my birth control in. I have this Mickey Mouse card that I got for my birthday last year, and I thought it was really beautiful, so I didn't want to throw it out because it's made of like very hard cardstock, so it's really cute. And then in terms of books, I have this book from Liam Wong. It's a coffee table book. I think instead of having like fashion designer coffee table books, I think it's like very interesting that I have these kind of coffee table books because it kind of shows off like my interest and personality a little bit more. I got this for Christmas last year from my friend who gave me the onigiri, and I really love this. It's so gorgeous. There is print in here, but most of it is just really aesthetic looking pictures of Tokyo. And if you guys have been long viewers of my channel, then you know that I really love Japan and I really miss Tokyo. Anyways, I got that. Then my little bro from Texas got me this. I don't see my little bro often. Miss you, Kisan. But he got me this. I got this like maybe 2 or 3 years ago from him, and it's really cute. It says Hamilton the Revolution. I love musicals. This book is gorgeous. Like the paper itself is amazing. Like this hand ripped paper, it's really, really nice. It talks about the original actors in the Broadway musical, and then also there's like the lyrics and stuff and just what they went through, and I really love this musical. Fun fact, I had tickets to see it when it was coming to Toronto in May 2020, but it ended up being canceled because of the pandemic. And the last little book is this one. It's a Panic at the Disco, a picture with books, and I got this when I was a teen. I really loved Panic at the Disco, and I still do. Pretty Odd is probably my favorite album that they ever came out with, and it's just a book of literally pictures. It's like Polaroids of them, and there's like zero writing in it. And then it came with a live in Chicago version of their songs here, and then just a regular Pretty Odd album that is stuck to the side here. I literally can't rip it off, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. And then this shoe, which is actually gorgeous. Look at this thing. It is from a black owned business from Toronto. It's by L'Amour J. I got this at Pickering Town Center, and it's just a Chanel looking sneaker, and I think it's really cute. It smells divine. It smells kind of cinnamony. I know it's a little bit cluttered in here, but I don't have much space in terms of shelving and areas to display stuff, so it's just there. And then I have a little fig candle from Diptyque, and I love fig. That's my favorite scent from them. Here you can see I have my bags. I have 2 Gucci bags that do not have dust bags. That one is actually not mine, it's my aunt's, and I borrowed it and never gave it back to her. And this one is new. I haven't used it just yet, just because I just bought that Coach bag and everything, but it's really, really tiny. You can see, and it just opens here. I think I'll do a review on this later on, and it did come with a strap, so I can make this into crossbody if I wanted to, and then everything else is just regular, so it's really super small. I'm so excited. It came and it was like perfect condition. The only thing is like here on the bag, because of the way it clasps down, you can see that it gets, you can see like it goes in here, so I think that's just like inevitable. It's like something that you're just gonna have to deal with because of how the structure of the bag is. But I think this bag is so darling. I love it so much. I'm so excited for this thing. Okay, so I didn't know if I should do a formal unboxing of this because I didn't even get the dust bag yet, but if you do want a review on this, I'm gonna start using this, and then let me know if you want a review on it, and then I'll do a review on this little guy. But it's so cute, right?
I'm excited to see improvement. I'm excited to see the starting point at the end point. Still got 5 more training sessions after this. There's a lot. My legs